How would you like to improve the coordination of the multiple Scrum teams that you're managing? And my name is Tim McDermott, and I'm a software development project manager right here in Tampa Bay, Florida. Today I'm standing in front of the statue of none other than John Lennon. It's outside the Performing Arts Conservatory building in the downtown Tampa area. So what I want to talk about is a Scrum of Scrums. It's a way of managing multiple Scrum teams at the same time. And it's a Scrum of Scrums is a Scrum team on top of the other Scrum teams in Agile. So in Agile, each project, as it were, has its own Scrum team of a Scrum Master, product owner, the developers, etc. And what if you're managing a project that's so large that it has multiple Scrum teams? In that case, you would like to have a Scrum of Scrums, a Scrum team on top of the other Scrum teams. It's composed of the product owners and the Scrum Masters of the individual underlying Scrum teams. Those Scrum Masters, product owners get together on at least a weekly basis, not a daily basis, but at least once a week, if not twice a week, etc. And the purpose of it is to manage the dependencies, the cross dependencies of the individual Scrum teams. A dependency could be a thing like some Scrum teams may share a resource, so that resource needs to be coordinated. Or a Scrum team A may have to deliver a piece of code before Scrum team B can start working on their piece of code, because the two pieces of code Scrum teams B code might be dependent on one Scrum team's A code, etc. So to manage those dependencies, etc., just use the Scrum of Scrum teams. The Scrum of Scrum is, like I said, should meet at least once a week, if not a little bit more frequently, but not daily. The agenda for those meetings is pretty much just like the Scrum daily stand-up meeting. They talk about what they got done since the last meeting, what they plan to do before the next meeting, and what impediments they have, especially the dependencies of impediments, and work at coordination of those. That's it. And the timing of these meetings is about 15 minutes, but they might run a little bit longer since they're coordinating works in multiple Scrum teams. Well, I'm going to go enjoy this location a little bit more. I'm going to take some more photos of the statue and send them to my relatives and say, hey, I'm with John Lennon here. I hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, then please click on like, and also please click on share. Thank you very much.